Most people looking for a cheap car today are walking into a financial trap. They buy high-mileage luxury cars with complex suspensions or modern budget models with transmissions that explode at 60,000 miles. In 23 years of turning wrenches, I've seen people sink their life savings into a deal that cost them $5,000 in repairs in the first year. But there are 5 cars sitting on used lots right now that are absolute gold mines. Vehicles mechanics quietly buy for their own families because they refuse to die. After 2 decades in the shop, I've learned a car's true worth isn't the badge. It's how many years it stays out of my service bay. Today, I'm counting down the 5 most underrated bulletproof cars you can buy for a fraction of the cost of a new one. I'm going deepest on my #1 pick, a sedan so over-engineered it's known as the million-mile car. If you want a vehicle that starts every morning without draining your bank account, you cannot ignore these. Let's get into it. Number 5 is the 2012 to 2013 Mazda 3, specifically with the Skyactiv engine. I had a client, Sarah, who was looking at a 2015 model with a jerky automatic transmission. I told her to find a 2012 Mazda 3 instead. She found a clean one for $7,000. 4 years later, she's moved across the country twice and only paid for oil changes and tires. The stigma is that these are just budget commuters. But 2012 was the year this brand really found its own path. The Skyactiv engine is a masterpiece of simplicity. It doesn't use a turbocharger, a part that often fails and costs $2,000 to replace in newer cars. Instead, it uses an efficient design that gets great gas mileage without the complexity. For the non-mechanics, look for the Skyactiv badge on the trunk. That tells you it has the good engine and the bulletproof 6-speed transmission. The only insider check is the motor mounts. If the car vibrates at a red light, it's usually just a $150 rubber mount. It's a simple fix that makes the car feel new. While a new version is $25,000, you can find these gold mines for under $8,000 all day. But if you think a small hatchback is a good deal, wait until you see this next sedan. It's the understated cruiser that is secretly a tank. Number 4, the Buick LeSabre, 2000 to 2005. This car is often overlooked because it's not flashy, but smart buyers know this brand accidentally built one of the most reliable engines in history, the 3800 Series 2 V6. I remember Jim, who was about to buy a used luxury sedan for $10,000. I pointed him toward a gray LeSabre for $5,000. 6 years later, his total repair bill is under $400. The stigma is the boring factor. It looks like a traditional sedan, but inside is an engine famous for hitting 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. It's a heavy-duty design without the complex electronics that plague modern cars. The insider tip: these cars are famous for a plastic intake manifold leaking coolant. It's a common $500 fix to replace it with a metal version. Once done, the engine is basically immortal. Also, check the power windows. Sometimes the motors get tired. But compared to a $3,000 transmission failure, a $150 window motor is pocket change. You're getting a premium ride for the price of a used scooter. The LeSabre is a comfort king. But this next legend is the car that actually forced the industry to stop building disposable small cars. Number 3 is the 8th generation Honda Civic with the spaceship dashboard. I had a client, Adam, who bought a 2009 Civic with 150,000 miles for $6,000. He's put another 100,000 miles on it in 3 years of heavy city driving. His only major repair? A $200 starter motor. The stigma is that they feel basic or noisy, but basic means it doesn't break. The 1.8-liter engine uses a timing chain, not a belt, saving you an $800 maintenance item every few years. The layman check: on 2006 to 2008 models, some engine blocks could leak coolant. Look for a 2009 to 2011 model. They fixed it completely. Also, the paint wasn't the best. You'll see peeling clear coat on the roof. It's ugly, but doesn't affect the drive. If you find one with bad paint, but a clean engine, you've found a $5,000 gold mine that will last another decade. The Civic is a smart buy. But if you need something bigger, this next icon was built to survive 24-hour police shifts. Number 2, the Ford Crown Victoria, 1998 to 2011. Every police department and taxi company use these for 30 years because they are built on a full steel frame like a truck. I had a customer who bought a retired police interceptor for $3,000. He drove it for 5 years, only changed the oil, and sold it for $2,500. The stigma is the utility look and gas mileage, about 18 to 20 miles per gallon. But the math works. You might spend $50 more a month on gas, but you save $500 in car payments and $2,000 a year in repairs. The 4.6-liter V8 is a lazy engine that never gets stressed, easily hitting 400,000 miles. For non-mechanics, look for civilian models owned by careful drivers. They usually have leather seats and weren't driven over curbs. Check the intake manifold. If it's plastic and leaking, a $400 metal replacement makes the car bulletproof. These are the last indestructible full-size sedans. The Crown Vic is a tank, but my number one pick is a car so over-engineered it made the company's own accountants angry. Number 1, the Toyota Avalon, 2005 to 2012. Finally, we call this the luxury sleeper. It's built on Camry bones, but everything is beefed up for a smoother ride. I had a client who hit 400,000 miles on his 2006 Avalon. When he brought it in, the engine was so clean, it looked like it had 50,000 miles. The stigma is that it's unexciting. But under that skin is the 3.5-liter V6, arguably the best V6 ever made. It uses a timing chain, has plenty of power, and is incredibly smooth. While everyone fights over used Camrys for $12,000, you can find the fancier Avalon for $8,000 because people forget it exists. The insider check. A small rubber oil line on the back of the engine could leak on early models. It's a $150 fix to swap it for the metal version. Once done, almost nothing kills this car. Check the dashboard for a sticky texture from sun damage. If the dash is solid and the oil is clean, this car will easily go another 200,000 miles. You're getting high-level luxury for the price of a used moped. When you buy one of these 5, you win. You let someone else pay for depreciation while you drive something built better.